Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you guys how to do a wing eyeliner. Now it does take a lot of practice, so I'm going to get a mirror. So I'm going to be using a felt tip pen. You can use any liquid liner that you would like. You can even use, let's see, you can use a liquid liner like this. This one is from Sephora. It is really good. It's very black, very pigmented. So I'm going to show you guys how to do a wing eyeliner. So I've already done my makeup and I've just curled my lashes. So I like to do my wing liner before I do my mascara. So I'm just going to do a little wing today. So what I like to do is I like to get real close to my lower lash line as I possibly can. And make a line like that. And then I go from the inner corner and make another line like that. Then I connect the line and then I make a line about where my crease is. So I basically use the shadow of my crease as a guide. And there you go. There you have it. Easy, easy, very easy. Now it does take a lot of practice, so just practice, practice, practice. And don't worry if you mess it up, it's all good, you can just wipe it off and start again. My advice would be to, if you're gonna practice doing your wing eyeliners, is to do it before you apply your foundation. That way you can do your eyeliner and if you stuff up, you can just wipe it off and start again. So I'm gonna show you guys again on the other eye. There we go. I'm just checking my mirror to make sure they're even. Okay, this one needs to be a little bit longer. Alright, and don't worry if you stuff up, it's all good. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender. Press and wipe. There we go. Checking to make sure they're even. Gotta fix the tail on this side. There we go. All good. And there you have it, my very easy winged eyeliner. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara. I'm going to show you guys this mascara. It is so good. It's from Younique. It's their new Epic mascara. If I can find it in this bag. Oh, nope. And it's really good. Like, so good. So, this is what it looks like. See that? Look how long that is. Like, wow. Ugh. Look at that. Wow. I just love this mascara. You see how long that is? I'm just gonna pull you guys a little bit, but look at that. Like, wow. Alright, there you have it, guys. Just apply some lipstick. But yeah. There is my easy to do wing liner. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye!